Hello dear students. Last few videos we discussed about the nutritive components of our diet. Last video we have discussed about the proteins and carbohydrates, which are the nutritive components of our diet. And today we are going to discuss about the last one, the fats, and it is also very important nutritive component which should be included in our diet. So we will see that how many things are there and how we can take that into our daily food and diet. So that we'll discuss today, okay? So fats we are going to study today. What are fats? Fats are a very important component and it should be there in our diet every day. This we can include in the form of ghee or butter or oil which is used to cook food, and there are some more sources through which we can add, but it should not be exceeded more than a limit, otherwise it can cause problems also. So 5 to 10% of fat should be there in our food. Fats are like as in engines. You can you know that if your parents are riding a bike or drive a vehicle, they need some engine oil to make it proper, keep it running proper. So fats work like that. It can give fluid and it can give mobility, or it can lubricate our joints and other important parts, so that we can do our household or daily activities without any problem. So what is the definition of fat? The fat you can write as essential nutritive component of our diet and made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is also made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Fat provides heat and energy to the body. On the average, 1 gram of fat on burning, it can give you 9 calories. Okay, 1 gram of fat, if it is burnt within your body when you intake it, so the process can release 9 calories of energy, which is very important for conducting different type of works. There are basically 2 types of fats. Okay, first one is saturated and unsaturated. Okay, what are saturated fatty acids? They contain chain of carbon atoms and they are found in food like dairy products, cream, butter, coconut oil, and palm oil, ghee, animal fat, etc. So these are found in that. Unsaturated fatty acids. These fatty acids are found in plants like peanuts and soya oil. Both type of saturated fats are essential for our body. There are 2 types: fats, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated are found in dairy products, cream, butter, oil, ghee, these all things, and unsaturated fats are found in peanuts and soybean oil. It is said that other than this is also needed but very less quantity. This unsaturated fat is very good for our health. What are the functions of fat? Fats are good sources of energy and they transport nutrients from one part to another part of our body. It improves the functions of brain and nervous system. Omega-3, it is found in fish oil, you can say. Fish oil it is found. And some oils also which are nowadays used in cooking are rich with omega oil. So you can use it. What is the function of omega oil? It reduces the risk of abnormal heartbeat and slightly reduce the blood pressure. So it can actually clear the artery problems which are related to our heart. So we should try to keep omega-3 oil or fat in our daily intake. It helps in absorption of vitamin E, A, D, E and K. A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins that we'll study further in our micronutrients. So when we will study, we will discuss. So fats are important and they are needed to absorb the different vitamins as A, D, E and K in our body. It helps in the monosaturated fats increase good cholesterol in body which protect the heart. Good cholesterol can protect your heart, so it is also essential for us. So these all are the things in fats that we have discussed. Hope you have understood. Try to recall it one more time and get it done. And other works also, it is expected that you are completing at home. Thank you.